Okay guys, I'm going to do a little bit of an update. I still have a gigantic hole in my backyard. The electrical that was in this hole has been rerouted, and next week I think the well people will be here, and then once they're done we can cover this hole. I'm moving some of the well equipment to a different location so I can get rid of that ugly concrete thing out there. Anyway, I wanted to show you inside the house real quick. We're going to go in a different way. We're going in the back door. That's off the back patio. I just wanted to show you real quick progress. This has been like this site. I think I might have videoed this already, but I don't even remember. Anyway, tomorrow paint starts, so I just wanted to do a good video before the paint starts. So this is the master bedroom. And he will be here tomorrow to do some paint. Here is the bathroom for the master. And in here's the closet. Let me turn off this drop light that my dad gave me. So it's special drop light. He did that to me several years ago. Anyway, this is the closet for the master bedroom. And don't worry, I'm not going to put anything in front of the electrical panel. I already have a plan so that won't happen. And this is the, well, it's the room where my TV is going to be. I don't know what I'm going to call all of this because it's kind of one continuous room. This is probably the living room. I don't know what this is. Part of the living room, I guess. And then that's the kitchen. And so it's all looking pretty, ready for paint. And most of the electrical is done. Not all of it, but most of it. As soon as the paint's done and I get a toilet in and a vanity, which will just be in temporarily, and I'm going to put the utility sink that belongs in the laundry room. Well, I haven't bought it yet, but it'll belong in the laundry room, right here in this spot when I get kitchen cabinets. But for now, I'm going to buy one and I'm going to put it in the kitchen to have a sink in the kitchen. And then once I get kitchen cabinets one day, I will be able to move that back to where the laundry / mudroom / dog room is. And then this is the guest room. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted you to see. I do have to put in the attic door. It's a drop-down ladder, and I don't know how I'm going to do that by myself, so I'll have to see if I can find some help to do that. And I don't know. I may end up having to do it myself anyway. And there's one more place I have to do that. And then I'm just going to put plastic around the walls of the shower, or the tub that's in that bathroom, and then I'll be able to shower for now. So I'll be roughing it, but it'll be better than living in such a tiny spot, at least. So I just have to keep going until eventually one day I get this done. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.